Hairdresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a portrait of the gingerbread man. So let's get started. To draw this cute picture, let's first start by drawing the eyes of the gingerbread man. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. Nice big circle. And I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So now that I have my two circles in, let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, so now I have my eyes in, let's come above each eye, about right here. Just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And in between the eyes, let's give our gingerbread man a sweet smile. So I'm just going to add a big curve right here in the center and cap it off. From there, let's go ahead and draw this really big circular oval for his head. So I'm going to come to the center of my eye. I'm just going to find, say about right here, and come out. And same thing right here, the center of the eye, about right here, just approximate. And then I'm going to just draw this big dome over the eyes. So I'm just keeping in mind that I'm just drawing this big head for our gingerbread man. So I'm just going to go up, I'm going to find my center. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to eyeball it and go up. Since I'm drawing pretty big, it just makes it a little bit easier for me to see where I'm going with my curve. And then from there, I'll just bring it down. If you're drawing small at home, don't worry about giving yourself points unless you need it. Smaller curves are much easier to draw, right? But when you have a big one, you need some points to help. Okay, so now that I have this huge curve over the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and bring this in towards the bottom to finish it off. And let's just keep going. To about right there. I'm going to stop because I have this beautiful bow I need to give my gingerbread man. So right in the center, I'm going to come down, kind of imagining this curve going through. If you're using pencil, just finish that curve. But I'm just going to stop about right here, give myself a point. And about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a circle for the center of our bow. Then let's draw the loops for our bow. Let's come out and bring it in. And then the center detail, and same thing here. And the center. There. And then now whatever space you have left, just go ahead and finish off the head and bring it in. Then from there, let's come to the top before I forget. I'm just going to put some drizzle over our gingerbread man here, just to decorate the top right here. And then of course we're going to need some sprinkles, so just lightly draw some circles. Of course, if you don't want this harsh dark line, just when you're coloring it, just add some of these colorful dots in here. There. Okay, so then now that I have that, let's go ahead and let's see here. Just gonna put one, well, let's just go ahead and we're gonna start to frame our gingerbread man. So I know I wanna give it a little body, so we're a little bit space underneath this bow. And I wanna be able to draw some houses back there, like a little candy house. So let's just say about right here. I'm just gonna give myself a point. Just imagining, and with this point, I'm gonna go ahead and draw a line all the way across. So definitely use a ruler if you're not comfortable drawing a line. But I'm just gonna have to look at my camera, make sure I'm kind of going as straight as possible. So about right here. And I'm going to give myself a little bit more room on this side because I want to draw that house. So, okay, so then from there, let's go up I'm just gonna imagine myself going up. So say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. About right here. And then we're gonna go down to create our frame. And connect. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and go to the side now. So bear with me as I draw these lines all the way across. I have to make sure I look at my camera. And so say about right here. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to come down once again. All the way down. There. Okay, so now the hardest part is done. Now we just want to thicken it up. So I'm just going to come right here at an angle, say about this thick, and give myself a point, and I'm just going to go ahead and go across to create our frame. And same thing on this side. And so I'm going to make this part a little bit thicker than the top because I want to write the word Gingerbread Man. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just bring it in. There, finally done with the frame. Sorry that took so long. I just want to try to make sure I was going straight as possible. Okay, so then now that we have that in, we can go ahead and finish our gingerbread man. So I'm going to come right in this space and draw another circle for a button. And then a little body, so right here and here, right in the center. And then let's come over here. I'm just going to draw a curve that comes down for the shoulders. And on this side, I thought it'd be nice to just have our gingerbread man waving. So let's just draw a big curve that comes in there. And bring this in a little bit more. And then right here, you can just wobble your way across for some detail. And let's see here. I think that is pretty much it for our gingerbread man. Hold on 1 second. Now I'm looking at my camera. Let's fix that part, right? A little bit fuller, just like this side. Okay, so now that we're done with that, let's give our gingerbread man here a background. So let's say about right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and just draw a soft curve all the way across. And then on this side, like I said, draw a little house right here. So let's come into this space. This is gonna come down at an angle for the roof, and then curve all the way across. Just a very simple little house. A door, perhaps, and then maybe a big candy right here. Big candy cane. And same thing here. Oops. Curve it a little bit more. Okay, and then of course you need a little roof with some snow on it and some smoke coming out, right? And let's see here, a little doorknob, whatever you like to decorate it. Add some circles in here for some color. There. Okay, so then we're done with the house, so we can also, let's see here, we can draw some trees on this side just to spruce it up a little bit more. There, and then of course you can add some snow in the background. But then that is pretty much it for the background here. So then let's go ahead and spruce up the frame. So I'm gonna make this really simple. I'm just gonna come into these corners right here and just draw a big circle. And then another circle right next to it, smaller. And I'll make them, find a center and make them candies. So go all the way across. And same thing here, find a center. And just draw these curves that go all the way around. Okay, so I'll just, and then maybe add a holly leaf here. Wasn't sure what to put, but I think this is a little bit easier. And then of course I almost forgot, let's find the center. So let's say about right here. Is that our center about? About right here. I'll just give myself a point, come straight up, and I'll draw a big heart just like all the other frames that I've drawn so far, all the other portraits I mean. And I can add another, maybe a candy cane. And another candy cane right here, if you have space. There. Okay, so once again, I'm just going to go ahead really quickly and do this on all the corners. Okay, so now that we're done with all the corners right here, I need to leave enough space here to write the word Gingerbread Man. So here we go. I don't have much space, so hopefully I can fit this in here. G. And I'm not spelling it wrong. Gingerbread. Okay, so it looks like man is going to be very small. Gingerbread man. There, we did it. Okay, so then now that we finally did that, we're just going to come in here and I'm just going to spruce this up. So like I always say, cuties, when you're writing, if you don't want to bother using a pencil and erasing, when you get towards the end, you don't have enough space, just make everything thinner. If you have too much space, just make everything a little bit wider, right? There. And that is pretty much it for my drawing, well, this portrait here of this gingerbread man to celebrate Christmas. I really hope you love how he turned out just as much as all the other Christmas portraits I've done so far this year. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you draw this fun and easy today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.